Do you feel really tall in this chair? You want to be taller? Look at my tall guy. He's getting so big.
Yikes.
How old are you?
2.
Good job. What's your name?
Abe.
Abe? What? What's your name?
Abe.
Aiden.
Abe.
Yeah, not Abe. Who's Abe?
That's Abe. That's Abe.
That's not your name. Oh, Mr. A?
Whose name?
What's my name?
What's Daddy's name?
That's Daddy, but who am I?
Daddy.
I'm Mommy.
That's my name.
I'm not Grandma. What's my name?
Yeah, what is that?
You gonna get down?
Where are you going, Aiden?
Heavy. What's my name?
My name?
Okay.
It's my name.
What's...
Are you gonna vacuum?
Oh, there's my little guy playing with his toys. Aiden, what kind of toys do you have? Is that a car? And you have like a little baby carrier there. Oh, whoa, what's this? Is that food? That's food for the kitchen, right? This one? Look in there.
Yeah, that's juice.
Yeah, well, actually that's milk, Aiden. That's cow's milk in there. Yeah, but you're right. It's like a juice, basically. Juice would come in a carton like that too, Bubs.
I got toys,
You have toys? Hey, girl. You doing good over here? She's such a good baby.
Hey, this looks like you. And Kevin. That's what
Yeah.
like the no. I don't know.
Do you guys think that Arya looks like me? Aiden definitely looks just like his dad, but I think Arya may look like my side of the family a little bit more. That's her Facebook picture right there. You gonna look like your mommy? Huh? You gonna be a mommy's girl? She's all about the fingers. This girl can eat so much. She's only 3 weeks. She can drink about 4 ounces of milk already. That's just kind of crazy to me because Aiden was not drinking that much. I mean, he was premature, but he probably only had about 1 ounce, 2 ounces at a time. He did not eat a lot. But then he eventually started to eat a lot as he got older, but definitely not at her age. Hey, Aiden. Hi. Yeah, that's the camera. Aiden, what are you eating? Tell us, what is this?
This?
Chicken and fries? Is that chicken tenders?
No. Is it good? I want to taste it.
You looking at my phone?
Yeah?
Is her holding her head up? Yeah. Who was this? Yesterday, last night. She looked bigger in that video than she.
Hi, Aiden.
That and the one. That one. Yay! That's done. A B C A B C A B C A F D E.
Yay!
That's us.
You wanna put that ketchup in there too? No? Damn, I said no. Aiden. But the grandma says go. Aiden, how old are you, buddy? How old are you? 2?
2.
Yeah. What is that, ketchup?
I'm not doing it no right now.
Me and my favorite sisters, right in Tina.
Why do you always ask for extra? One more.
Look, you can sit right here and read it on Aiden. Want to sit in here and read the book?
I want that.
Ready to go, Aiden? Let's go home now, okay? Okay, see you later, Aiden. We're leaving. Bye. Bye, Aiden. See you later. We're leaving, going home. Are you staying here? Oh, Aiden?
I love you, Aiden.
It's okay, bud. You see Raina tomorrow or a different day this week, okay? Okay. It's okay. Say bye-bye, Raina.
Love you, Aiden. Bye-bye.
Okay, baby, help me out.
Love you, Aria. Love you, Aiden. Bye-bye, baby.
Love you, Ma. See you later.